Welcome back to Fast Money. Coinbase announcing plans to go public via direct listing today. The cryptocurrency exchange also announcing its revenue has more than doubled in the past year, bringing in more than $1.1 billion in 2020 as popular names such as Bitcoin and Ethereum have surged to record highs. Beeks, what do you make of this valuation?
Well, it's interesting. So there is a contract. It doesn't trade for U.S. investors, but there is a contract that has been tracing what the Coinbase valuation would be. And it's implying roughly when it starts trading, it would be a $100 billion valuation, which is fairly eye-popping, frankly, because that would mean it is a bigger valuation than CME or ICE or something like that. So if that holds, it's interesting. The second part of that, which I think is interesting, is you now can actually, if you look at some of the exchange coins, like a Binance or something like that, you can start to have a real world traditional finance valuation start to creep into the crypto world.
Here's the question, though, BK. Dollar for dollar, Bitcoin or Coinbase?
Oh, Bitcoin, without a doubt.
Yeah, Jeff Mills.
And here's the reason. Is that,
go ahead.
Yeah, equities are limited. Equities are limited on their valuations. Currencies are not.
Jeff, would you agree?
Yeah, I agree. I think if you want exposure to the space, you want to go into Bitcoin itself. And when I try to think about what the value of a coin should be, I mean, the supply is fixed, right? So you try to look at the demand side. I actually saw some interesting stats from ARK Invest just to try to game out what that might look like. And if you have 1% of corporate balance sheets allocated to Bitcoin, the price doubles from here. If you have 1% of institutional investors' portfolios allocated to Bitcoin, the price doubles. If they allocate 2.5% of their portfolios, the price goes to 200,000. So I think trying to understand how all those dynamics play out, it's important. And those aren't large percentages in terms of allocations, but those are big price moves.
Yep.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.